Tieno, I want to confirm that yesterday at around 18:00 hours, we received a phone call from an identified person who reported that one of the houses within Jogo Estate, there were some people who were fighting, actually some young persons who later turned to be students from Kisii Polytechnic College. The police officers were dispatched to that area, immediately arrived at the scene, and they found that the lady had actually been killed by the boyfriend who is said to be the former boyfriend, because from what we got is that this lady is an ex-girlfriend of the guy. So what happened is that when the police officers arrived, they found the body of that lady lying on the floor inside the house where that lady was residing. And we are told that the suspect had come to visit that lady, maybe for some reasons that we don't know, but they started quarreling. That is the time somebody took an initiative of reporting to the police, so that we rushed to the scene, and the body of the dead lady the body of the dead lady was collected and taken to Kisii Training and Referral Hospital. But at the scene, there are things that were collected. There were key recoveries, actually, among them being a knife that you can see here. This is a very key weapon because it is believed to be the murder weapon because it had some blood stains. So we recovered it. Again, the young man who had been subjected to mob injustice by the angry members of public was rescued by the police, and he was taken to the same hospital for treatment. Okay, the body of the deceased is lying in the mortuary of the Kisii Training and Referral Hospital, awaiting postmortem. I don't want to make any conclusions, but it is almost clear that whatever the motive of the killing was was revolving around their relationship, because we are told that the girl was the former boyfriend of the suspect. But I wanted to do this again concerning the same. I wanted to make an appeal to the members of public, especially our young people, that every time and any time they find that they have any conflict, they should not apply any violent means in resolving their conflicts. We have better ways of resolving conflicts. They can apply peaceful ways or that they can use to resolve their conflict, because it is so painful losing such a young lady and also having such a young man going to prison. Maybe after we do investigations, we cannot conclude that he did it, but from the look of things, maybe is going to be culpable of the same. It is an investigation that is going to tell us. Okay, after the young man was taken to Kisii Training and Referral Hospital, he was treated and discharged actually in fair condition, and he was placed in cells as a suspect, where he is currently held, awaiting to be arraigned before court after investigations are concluded.